Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the tool. In this video, we're diving into Otter.ai, a powerful transcription tool that can be a real game changer for anyone working with audio or video content. Whether you're a student taking notes in lectures, a journalist conducting interviews, or a content creator like myself, Otter.ai offers a range of features designed to streamline your workflow and make transcription a breeze. Otter.ai's primary function is, of course, transcribing audio. It boasts impressive accuracy, especially with clear audio recordings. You can upload pre-recorded files or even use it for live transcription, making meetings and real-time discussion significantly more accessible and documented. This can be particularly useful for creating searchable records of important conversations or quickly generating meeting minutes. Beyond simple transcription, Otter.ai offers some really useful features. For instance, it identifies different speakers, which is incredibly helpful for keeping track of who said what, especially in group settings. This feature significantly improves the readability and organization of your transcripts. The ability to add tags and highlights to specific sections of the transcription further enhances its usability, allowing you to quickly locate key information later on. Another noteworthy aspect of Otter.ai is its integration capabilities. It seamlessly connects with various other productivity tools, including popular calendar apps and note-taking software. This interconnectivity makes it even easier to incorporate transcriptions into your existing workflow, saving you time and effort. While Otter.ai is a fantastic tool overall, it's important to acknowledge its limitations. Like any transcription software, its accuracy can be affected by factors such as audio quality and accents. However, even with these occasional imperfections, Otter.ai significantly reduces the time and effort required for manual transcription. It's definitely a valuable tool to have in your digital arsenal. If you're looking to streamline your transcription process, I highly recommend giving Otter.ai a try. Check out the links in the description for more information and to get started.